guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then welcome, first timers, and if you've been here before, then thank you for watching again. Today I'm going to be doing this simplified fall glam makeup look, so if you want to know how I got this, then keep on watching. Okay, so today I am filming in my kitchen, standing up because it's just like a really gloomy day, so there's actually like better lighting in the kitchen. So just put my ring light out here and I'm just gonna do my makeup standing up, like why not, right? I'm gonna start with some primer. So today I'm using the Frasali Unicorn Essence, which is really nice and moisturizing. So I already put my brows on, as you can see, because that's like the one thing I need on. So I normally do it like as soon as I wake up. Okay, I'm using the Fit Me foundation by Maybelline. This is like my favorite. Whoops. Oh god. Just pour some of that right back into the bottle. Okay, I'm reaching over trying to like pick up this stuff as I'm using it, and it's like falling over the kitchen counter here. I'm just gonna take my foundation. I'm gonna put a few drops of this. It's by Revolution. It's a luminous gold, kind of just like bronzing drops. So it makes my foundation a little darker because this one's gotten too light for me now. The summer's just passed, so I've had a bit of a tan. This is really good everyday use foundation. It's like the one I wear to work most of the time. It's just super hydrating and my skin's really dry, so it doesn't, by the end of the day, it doesn't look super caked on for me, and it also just doesn't get stuck in like my dry spots. I should probably get a mirror. I'm just looking into the camera like screen that I have on top of here, but I should probably make sure that's all blended. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with bronzer. This is the Physicians Formula, also from the drugstore, and it was like 19 bucks. It smells really good, and it just blends really, really well. Ooh, text messages. I'm gonna go in with a bit of concealer under my eye. I'm using the Kylie Jenner Cosmetics in shade Sand. When I first got this concealer, it was a bit too dark for my light skin. I got it in the winter, so now that I'm a little bit more tanned, not really that tanned, kind of works well. So I'm going to be going in with the Milk Eye pigment, and this is shade After Party. If you saw my video last week, this is one of the products that I was trying out. It's like a cream eye pigment, and I put it on with my finger all the time. You can just wear this alone, like you don't even have to put anything else on. You just dab it with your finger and it blends out so well, and it just gives like a little bit of like a colored shimmer, and you don't have to really do any other eye makeup. Don't record videos standing up again. So this is quite brutal actually. Okay, next I'm just going to go in with an eyeliner. This is the Fenty Beauty, and I'm just gonna go over that. So again, I didn't put any like other shadows on. Okay, doing eyeliner standing up is not a good idea. I'm literally going to just like lean against this wall and try to do this. No! Okay, that does not look good. Okay guys, bear with me while I try to fix the disastrous mess I created with my eyeliner. Okay, that seems to be as good as it's getting today. I'm gonna finish off with some lashes today. So these are Samantha, I think is what they're called, by Huda Beauty. Just gonna put a bit of the glue and then reach over and get my mirror. Okay. This is so difficult. Okay. So to finish off this look, I'm going to be putting on a bold lip. I'm going to start with lip liner. This is Kat Von D lip liner in shade Vampire. So it's just like a purpley reddish color. And I'm going to be using like a burgundy lipstick today. So after I put my lip liner on, I'm gonna go with my lipstick and knock over my camera at the same time. And I'm going to, this is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick in shade Boss. I actually haven't tried this yet, but let's see how this goes. Okay, this is very pretty. I like it. It's more purple than it is burgundy, I'd say. I will link this down below as well. So I'm just going to finish off this look with some highlighter. I'm using the Glam Glow palette today. I'm gonna go in with this like light white shade. So there you guys have it. This is my finished look for my easy go-to fall glam look. If you guys want to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time.